Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to get started with Camtasia 2021. So first of all, if you haven't downloaded Camtasia 2021 yet, you can check out other videos in our channel. There is a video about how you can download Camtasia 2021. Okay, now you can see that when you open up Camtasia 2021, it will show something different, but right now you can see I'm just starting Camtasia. Later, now you can see I've done a lots of projects in this Camtasia. So when you are just getting started with Camtasia, you can see something like that. Now you can see new project, so you need to click on that new project, as we are going to do everything from scratch. And now few things you need to remember. If you have decent graphics card like 1050 Ti or something like that, okay, so you need to do a little bit changes. Now you can see this is what it will look like. Now you can see the file menu and menu bar. Now you can see just edit option, you need to click on that. Now you can see preferences, you need to click on that, and here you can see lots of options available. Now you need to click on advanced. Now you can see that hardware acceleration. So if you have graphics card, make sure to select graphics card, okay, because it's if you select graphics card, it will definitely provide higher quality performance. But if you have if you don't have a decent graphics card or normal graphics card, it will just okay, it won't make much more differences. So yep, now you can see, now we have selected GTX 1050 Ti. Now you can see temporary storage folder, so you can change the temporary storage folder where you have too much space left. But you can see that my all my storage is kind of messed up, but it's okay. So now you can see I've just selected to this folder, which you can see on Z drive, okay, and these are the settings. And here you can see the project settings. If you want to keep your canvas dimension to 1080p okay, or 4K USD, so it's up to you, but I'm going to just keep it 1080p. And if you want to keep the frame rate to 60 fps, so these are the default project settings. Okay, now you can see auto normalize loudness, so it will adjust the audio loudness. Okay, but I'm just unmarking it because it causes I face so much lagging while I am doing the editing work. Okay, now you can see when adding high frame rate media to a project, you can see ask me every time. So if you're let's suppose you are working 30 fps project and you have added some 60 fps 60 fps clip or whatever it is, okay, it will just ask you every time. Now you can see other shortcuts if you want to check them, so these will help you out. Okay, now you can see there are lots of things, like if storage folder where it's you can see everything. So if you want to change it, you can make the changes. You can here change the default duration of animation, annotation, and lots of stuffs. Now if I go to program, now you can see default easing type. It's okay, it's up to you how you will set this. And now you can see autosave option. It's very important because sometimes if you don't have IPS or UPS support, this is important. If sometimes load shedding happen, and this might interrupt your editing work. Okay, and you can see open autosave folder, so if you click on that, you'll be able to find your autosaved file. Okay, and I hope everything is good to go. Okay, now I'm just clicking OK. These are the basic things. Now if you want to import any media. Now you can see import media. So if you want to add any kind of video, you can just do it. So let me just show you. Okay, let's suppose I've added this video, and let's just try to, if you want to add more video or audio, you can see plus icon here, click on that, import media, and you can select music. You can import music. Okay, I'm just importing some music. Okay, let me just show you the basic thing. So let's suppose you can see from this option you can change media bin view. So if you want to change like that, or you can see square, so there are lots of options available, but I'm comfortable with it because I know the file title, right? So now if you want to select the video and grab the video here. Now you can see the canvas. It's a different kind of video. It's a different ratio video. So if you want to change the ratio to 60:9, okay, you can see the canvas option, click on that. Now you can see project settings, click on that, and here you can see canvas dimension. It's set to custom. That means it will set automatically according to your video. So I'm going to select this to 1080p, okay, which is 60:9 ratio. Now you can see I can select frame rate and lots of stuff, so I'm just simply clicking on apply. Now you can see this is the video. So if I want to zoom in this video, okay, now you can see okay, it will look like this. Now if I try to put audio, I'm grabbing that audio and I'm just pasting right here. Now you can see you can stretch the editing timeline by zooming in or out. This you can see on the screen. You can follow my mouse cursor. Now you can see if you want to, as this audio is extended, so you need to just adjust the audio. So let's suppose, and if you want to split or trim any kind of from your clip or audio, you can see these are the option. You'll be able to split. Okay, so I want to split the video. I'm just selecting the video and I'm clicking on split. Okay, you can see that video is split. Now you can also cut the video if you want. So let's suppose I want to cut the video. Okay, now you can see I've selected this clip. I don't want to keep this clip, and I'm clicking on delete. So yep, you can see there is a gap, there is a space between. Okay, now if you click select, if you type control and delete, you can see that it's automatically this will be look like this. And if you want to do this thing, same thing with your audio, you'll be able to do that. And yep, and if you want to add any kind of animation, okay, you can also do that. So these are the things actually you can do with Camtasia. Okay, basic things. So there will be an in-depth video about this topic, and there will be lots of video about Camtasia. Particularly it will be uploaded in our channel, so you guys can go to our playlist and make sure to check all of the video. But in this video I'm just going to give it a quick review, that's it, but not in-depth tutorial about Camtasia, because there are lots of steps in Camtasia. There will be lots of video about this topic, about this topic, right? So let's suppose your editing is done. Okay, let's suppose if your editing is done, now what you want to do is you want to export. Now you can see export option, top right side. you need to click on that. Now you can see local file. Okay, I'll suggest you guys to select local file. Now you can see custom production settings. Just go with it, select and go to select next. Okay, select mp4 and select next. Now you can see controller, it's good, keep it as simple as that. Now if you take a look on size, it should be just like this. Now you can see video settings. In video settings, this is important because it will be important for your video quality, right? Now you can see encoding mode is set to quality, so I just always work with this quality. So if you give the quality to 75%, it's good, but it will still create a much more higher file. And if you want to keep your frame rate to 60 fps, you can just simply select 60 fps, and other things should be good. Okay, now you can also go with bitrate if you want, but I want to go with quality. Okay, now you can see audio settings. If you want to change audio, you can do it. Now you can see options available also, but these are not much important thing. Main important thing is size, video settings and audio settings. So I think all these things are good, and we are good to go. Now you can see the next option, click on that and click on next, and you can see production name. You can just simply select the production name. Okay, I mean type in the production name. Let's suppose I'm giving it name Clash Royale. Okay, Clash Royale. Now you can see select the folder as well. Okay, you can select the folder by clicking on this icon where you want to export. Now you can see I'm just saving it, and now you can see post-production option, which is show production result, play video after production. Like if you want to play video after production, you can just select, but I'm just unmarking it because I know where it will save. Now click on finish. Now you can see it's rendering the video. It will just do work quickly. Okay, but if it was 4K resolution video, this might take some time, because a 4K resolution video will depend on your CPU performance. I have some mid-range CPU, so it takes some time to complete the process, right? Okay, and here you can see it's almost done. Now you can see open production folder. I'm just clicking on that. Now you can see this is the folder where it's okay. This is the video, and these are all the files, related files, config and stuff. So let's just try to see. Okay, I guess this video is good to go, and it's produced perfectly. So in this way you will be able to get started with Camtasia, and these are the basic things if you want to do basic video editing in Camtasia. There are lots of tutorial related to this Camtasia. Make sure and go to our playlist and check out every single video we have uploaded. So yep, that was it today. Hope you like this video. If you want to know anything about this video, make sure to comment down below. We appreciate a lot of your comment, and yep, stay tuned with 5 Minute Solution.